Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we'll be comparing two drones that are perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. We have the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the Holy Stone GPS drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes in at just $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those who want to dip their toes into the world of drones. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone is priced at $299, offering more advanced features and capabilities. So if you're on a tight budget, the DEERC D20 might be the way to go. Now let's talk about the camera. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture high-quality aerial photos and videos. With the FPV transmission, you can even see the live feed on your smartphone. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone takes it up a notch with a 4K UHD camera featuring a GalaxyCore sensor. This means you'll be able to capture stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos. If you're looking for professional-grade footage, the Holy Stone GPS drone is the winner in this category. Now let's talk about flight performance. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone features altitude hold, which allows the drone to maintain a certain height, making it easy to control and capture steady footage. It also has 3D Flips and Waypoints Fly, adding a fun element to your flight experience. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone boasts advanced GPS technology, providing stable flight and a safe return home feature. It also has a long-range transmission of up to 10,000 feet. So if you're looking for precise control and a longer flight range, the Holy Stone GPS drone takes the lead in this category. Lastly, let's talk about the additional features. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone offers voice control and gesture selfie options. You can control the drone with simple voice commands like take off or landing, and even take photos or videos by posing in front of the camera. On the other hand, the Holy Stone GPS drone comes with multiple stunning functions like spiral up, catapult, and one-tap ascension, making aerial filming a breeze. It also features waypoint flight and point of interest modes, enhancing your flying experience. So if you're looking for more advanced and creative features, the Holy Stone GPS drone is the clear winner here. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of both drones. And that wraps up our comparison between the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the Holy Stone GPS drone. Both drones have their unique strengths and are suitable for different types of users. If you're on a budget and looking for a beginner-friendly option, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is a great choice. However, if you're willing to invest a bit more for advanced features and professional-grade footage, the Holy Stone GPS drone is the way to go. As always, make sure to do your own research and choose the drone that best fits your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.